Hi everyone, I'm Chef Tommy and welcome to Williamson Wine's Epicurean Kitchen. In this series of videos, we've paired some fantastic and easy to make dishes with our wines, and we hope you enjoy them at home. Today we're making a Za'atar crusted grilled shrimp skewer to pair with our relish roussan. Thanks for watching everyone, and we encourage you to try these pairings for yourself. For more great food and wine pairings, subscribe to our channel and visit williamsonwines.com.